stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Okay guys, so today I will be doing, I think I want to do like a pink, I don't know, I just really feel like putting on makeup. I want to go for like thin brows. Gavin, it's cool, I can't hear. Alright, so I'm gonna just do like some tiny brows. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna go in with a primer for my face, just so my makeup lasts all day. This primer is really cold.
Okay, I can't feel my face. Walked in a party and it feel like space. What up? I'm feeling myself, trying to get at me. Better kill yourself, before my nigga do. Say I throw that ass back like deja vu. Slight work. If you cop and treat, this might work. Play some YG and bitch, I might work. I'm in this thing lively. One bitch tried me, she went into hiding. Let the niggas know we ain't fucking around. If you got a problem, then we come to your house. I got this drink up in my cup. I got this weed. Let's burn it up. I'm
gonna go in with my NARS. And the only reason why I'm not using a beauty blender is because I didn't wash it. And I don't feel like washing it. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush. I really like this brush too. Like, just puts it on out beautifully. Almost effortlessly. Okay, so now we're going to highlight our face. We're going to use our NARS in the color Biscuit. So NARS is like really one of my favorite brands. Take it on my forehead, just because, you know, it's gonna be Valentine's Day and I really want to look cute.
Come on, I'm conceited. I got a reason.
Mind you, I don't have any setting powder, okay? Just not in here, at least. Set my cheeks with, I think I'm gonna go with the Marc Jacobs contour. Let's see what it looks like first. But I think I need to use this too. I'm gonna use some Becca blush. You guys see that? Trophy wife. It's like bling bling. Hey, summer yum. Now we're gonna go in with puree. right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going with my Take Me Back to Brazil. What's gonna happen now, we're going to cut our crease so we can put a pigment down. Yes, and we're gonna cut it where we just cut it. This is just so the color will be more vibrant. Yeah, this pink shade in here. Neon pink might work out. This might be a bad idea. This is not really like deepening the crease how I envisioned. Might need to put some little holiday red in there too. Change that white line yellow. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Out with the outfit, I guess. So I totally thrifted. This is a skirt. Cute little top. Got on some Adidas. Black on black on black. Oh my god.